Girl, and I am about to plant my sweet potato plants that Bernie gifted me, and I am so excited. So I am going to get these in the ground because I don't want to be too far behind the curve getting these sweet potatoes in. So they're beautiful, healthy plants. So let's get them out of these containers. And let's get these bad boy planted. I think these are like 1, 2, 3. I'll put 3 in this big pot. So I think 3 in this one pot should be good. So I've already amended the soil with our wonderful amendments. And again, Bernie, I am so thankful for you for taking the time to help Miss Renee in her garden and get her sweet potato slips and get them in the ground so I can have some sweet potatoes for this Thanksgiving. So when I am at my dinner table and I have made my candy yams, I will be thinking totally of you. And I'm hoping that you were able to get your sweet potatoes planted too, so we can both have such a wonderful, wonderful sweet potato and Thanksgiving, or whenever we eat these beautiful sweet potatoes. So I think I have 3 more sweet potatoes that I have another bucket in my garage, and tomorrow I will plant these up, so I'll have 2 regular buckets of potatoes and 2 buckets of sweet potatoes. Because gardening with Bernie, I am going to be so appreciative of you, girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're probably going to get tired of me saying and thanking you every time I see you or giving you all kinds of wonderful compliments. And I know you're not looking for that, or you're not that type of person, but I just want to let you know that you have touched my heart in a way that I just can't explain it. But you know how I feel. So thank you, thank you, thank you, girl. So alright, you guys, I've got these planted. 3 nice, beautiful, healthy sweet potato slips in this one. And like I said before, I'm going to make another bucket, and I'm going to have another bucket of sweet potatoes. So I just wanted to make you this quick little video to let you know Renee's garden has her sweet potatoes in the pot. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button, and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up for this video, because that'll help my channel grow, and comment and share it out to the world so they can see what's happening over here in Miss Renee's garden. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have another video coming your way. Alright, you guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, you guys, take care, and thanks again, Bern. And don't forget, you guys, go over and check out Bernie's channel. It's Gardening with Bernie. Alright, take care. Bye-bye.